Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video we're going to create a new project where you will write, for example, something and the computer will say, are you calm, are you focused, are you stressed, and so on. So first of all, let's start. Import time. Next we'd like to input start typing and press enter when done. Yep, and then we write start equals time dot time. Next we write text equals input, and next we write end equals time dot time, and last we like to write words equal len text dot split, and then we like to write duration equals end minus start, and then we like to write vpm equals words divide by duration multiply by 60. And lastly, we'd like to print, not lastly, but we'd like to print your speed integer int vmp. Yep, close it up and write a vmp. And lastly, if vmp is smaller than 60, print r colon. If vmp is smaller than 100, like to print mode focused, then if vmp 130, print mode stressed, and else print mood anxiety. Okay, so now let's save it up and let's run. For example, let's try it. Today was a great day. I scored 5 goals. So now let's enter. vmp. It says you got a bug in line 11. it's not yep, VPM. Oops, you're right. V, v VMP sure as VPM. VPM PM. Now let's save it up, guys. Now let's run it. Today I scored 5 goals. Okay, now let's here's with your call. So okay guys, it was all for this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.